Dude, see here what I'm going to tell about prime number. A number is known as prime number when it cannot be divided by any other number than itself and 1. See here 2. 2 cannot be divided by other than 1 times of 2 is 2, 2 times of 1 is 2. Itself and 1. It cannot be divided from any other number. Like this, let's take one more number 3. Even 3 you can divide only by 1 or 3 itself. You can take like that 5. Here also it can be divided only by 1 and 5. And if you take a 7, here 7 also it can be divided by 1 and 7 itself. If you take this one 11, 11 also the same thing, it can be divided only by 1 and 11 itself. Let's take what is not prime. If you take one number which is not prime, which is 4, here 2, 3 and 4 won't come in prime number because 4 can be divided. It can be divided as 2 times of 2. So 4 you can write it as 2 times of 2. It's just not divisible by just 1 and 4. It is even divisible by another prime number which is 2. So it's not a prime number. Let's take another number which is 12. Even 12 you can start dividing like this. 2 times of 4 is 12 and 4 can be divided as this one 2 times of 6 is 12 and 6 can be again divided as 2 times of 3. Here you're going to get 12 as 2 times of 2 times of 3. It can be written as 2 square times of 3. Here there are two prime numbers, that is 2 and 3, which can divide 12. So 12 is not a prime number. Here in the same way 11, let's find out about 13. Here 13 you can divide it by 1 and you can divide it by 13. If there any number divisible by 2, 2 6 times is 12, 2 7 times is 14. No, 3 4 times is 12, 3 5 times is 15. And let's take next prime number 5. 5 2 times 10, 5 3 times 15 and 7 2 times is 14. 11 1 times 11. So no other number is divisible by 13 other than 1 and 13 itself. So 13 is a prime number. I'm going to tell more interesting facts. Let's find about what is 15. 15 you can start dividing as 3 times of 5. So 15 can be written as 3 times of 5 where 3 and 5 are prime numbers. You can take the next number, that is 18. Here if you find any even number other than 2, it's going to be a prime number because any even number first will be divisible by 2 itself. Again 9 it can be divided as 3 times of 3. So 18 becomes 2 times of 3 times of 3 or it becomes 2 times of 3 square. 2 and 3 two prime numbers can divide this 18. Now any other prime number other than 2 going to be odd. 2 is the only one which is even prime number. It is even, still it is a prime. You can start by taking a lot bigger number and find out whether it is prime or not prime. Let's take 51. It is not divisible by 2, that is since it is odd. Let's find it out by 3. Here 3 1 times is 3 and it becomes 21. 2 remains. 3 7 times is this one. So 51 can be divided by two prime numbers, that is 3 and 17. 17 you cannot divide furthermore. So this 51 is not a prime number, it is a composite number. Now let's take another number which is 43. Now you can start dividing this 43. It is not divisible by 2, by 3. 3 1 times in 13. 3 4 times become 12. Not, no. 5 to divisible by 5, last digit must be 0 or 5. So it must be 40 or 45. Let's find it by 7. 7 6 times is 42. So 7 7 times 49, not divisible by 7. Let's take 11. 11 times 3, 11 times 3 is 33. 11 times 4 is 44. 13 times 3 is 39 and 13 times 4 is 52. So not even by 13. By 17 times 2 is 34 and 19 19 times 2 is 38. So it is not divisible by any of the prime number, any of the other prime number other than 143. So this 43 going to become a prime number. Now find out whether this is a prime or not a prime number. That is 91. What is this? It is a prime or not? Tell in the comment section.